Good morning, everybody. Today I wanted to talk to you about the rig that we're going to be traveling in as we make our way across America and spend some time out west. After months and months of research and pondering which camper I should buy, I decided to go with the NuCamp 2022 Tag XL edition. Wanted to give you a little tour of the camper today, so let's just get right onto it. You're looking at the back of it right here. And it's the NuCamp Tag XL 2022 Boondock edition. I'm not going to get too technical today about the systems. Maybe I'll do another video on that. I'll just briefly go over it. So this is the general layout of the outside. I've done some modifications to it, which I'll talk about briefly. It's about 15 feet long. A classic teardrop trailer. Basic necessities. But at the end of the day, the kind of camping I want to do, which is out in BLM land, desert, forest, out, way out. This would be the best vessel for that, in my opinion. Best value. 2 doors, one on either side. We're back at in the rear of the camper. As you can see, there's one solar panel, which comes standard on the Boondock edition. And like I said, I'm not going to talk too much into that as far as the solar setup. Quite a bit of modifications on that I've done. And let's open up the back. Got a nice kitchen back here. Everything you need. I'll be definitely cooking quite a bit of meals. I cook all my own meals, so this is something that was absolute necessary. In fact, I think this is what probably took me over the edge. I just really like this this kitchen. It does not come with a standard fridge like this, a small fridge. It comes with a Yeti cooler, and like I said, the type of camping I want to do, which is for weeks at a time, or at least 7 to 10 days, I need to have quite a bit of food. And the cooler just wasn't going to do it, so I installed that. Shout out to my friend Freddie for helping me install this. Microwave, 2-burner stove, propane, some storage underneath here, sink connects to a water system. Pretty cool backsplash. Light out here when you're cooking. What this is this is where you plug in for the 30 amp. I will not be using much shore power. I'm not going to be staying at campgrounds that often. This here is the water connection for when you have water, like at the campsites, etc. And this is an outdoor shower, which I will be using. Pretty cool tires. And the clearance, it's really nice. Look how far it is above the ground. And that's precisely what I wanted. This little port here is what connects to the solar panels. Again, we're not going to get into that today. I removed this the outside storage compartment that came with the Tag XL, and installed this Lund. What it does is it enabled me to add, so the smaller compartment comes with one battery and one propane tank, and what I did was I removed this and put this one, removed the standard one and put this one in, which allowed me to add an extra battery, lithium phosphate batteries, and 2 propane tanks, so I can be, again, remotely camped without worry. It should last me a while. Pretty cool stargazer window. When you're lying in the bed, you can look up. It's pretty neat. I installed the ARB 2500 awning. The Yakima round bar roof rack does come standard on the Boondock edition, but not the awning. It comes without an awning. So very satisfied with this awning. Great quality. Again, it's the ARB 2500. Let's take a look at the inside. So this is a king size bed. I have it folded. It's a king size mattress folded right now, but it is a full king size bed in here. I have it like this because Brady will be sleeping right there, and it's cold outside, but real nice and spacious in here. I don't need anything else. Again, 2 doors, one on either side, 2 windows, one there and one here. Storage, air conditioning, heater. That's the heater. It's the AC. Fan, which vents or fans the inside, depending on which setting. Windows are fully opened. They can fully open, close, or halfway, etc. You have these vents. You can slide up for privacy, or a shade that can slide down. Cigarette lighter port, USB, standard 120, 110 AC outlets all throughout. Couple lights. These lights are really neat. They're blue, and there's one on that side as well. At night, it's pretty cool in here with the blue light. Blue LEDs use a lot less power than standard light. That's about it. What I have right now is 200 amp hour batteries, Battleborn batteries. They're probably the best there are. I did install a battery shunt here, which allows me to connect to my phone Bluetooth via Bluetooth and monitor the batteries at all times. Again, installed, modified this quite a bit here. This is standard 2 propane tank holder that's bolted to the bottom of the container and the trailer itself. What I'm currently waiting on is my truck cap. The truck cap is supposed to come in at the beginning of January. I'm gonna have quite a bit of storage with me since the camper itself has very little storage. There is one thing I want to show you. There is quite a bit of storage actually underneath the bed. Quite a bit. But I need quite a bit more. So the truck cap is coming in early January, and don't have a date of departure yet. Depend on weather and whether or not the cap comes on time, but looking at the beginning of January to mid-January, depending on weather. I have decided what my first destination will be, but I'm not going to share that with you on this video. You'll have to tune in on the next one. I just think it's perfect in terms of the kitchen. I'm going to be spending most of my time right out here